Hi everyone, welcome back to the Best Videos channel. If you are learning Primavera P6 and want to become a professional project engineer, then you are in a right place. In today's Primavera P6 tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create an organizational breakdown structure in Primavera P6. The OBS is one of the most important organizational structure in Primavera P6 because it helps assign responsibility for projects and links manager with the enterprise project structure or EPS. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand what an OBS is, why it's important and how to create it step by step. So let's get started. So before we create an OBS, let's understand what it actually is. OBS stands for Organizational Breakdown Structure. It is a hierarchical structure that represents the people or department responsible for managing projects within an organization. Think of it as an organizational chart inside Primavera P6. For example, a project director can be at the top. Under the project director, you may have project managers. Under each project managers may you have planning engineers, site engineers and other team members. So when you later create an EPS or project, Primavera allow you to assign a responsible manager from the OBS. So that's why creating the OBS is one of the first setup tasks in Primavera P6. So now let's create organizational breakdown structures. Go to the top menu. These are all the top menus. Click on Enterprise. Now we have OBS then select OBS. Now the OBS will open. So I scroll it down. So if you don't see all organizational elements, click on Display, then Filter by and select all OBS element. So now you are ready to create your organizational breakdown structure hierarchy. So let's create our first OBS element. Click on Add. I'll scroll it down first. Select this one. Now click on Add. For example, that will create Shola as the parent of OBS. Click OK to save it. So this parent OBS could represent a project director, department head or senior manager depending on your organization. So now let's create another OBS element. Simply select this OBS element, click on Add button. Okay, we have this. Enter the name Olabode. Okay. After creating it, select the new OBS, click. So now I select this one and shift it into right side. So for shift it into right side, we have this arrows here, so I shift it into right from here. So now Olabode becomes a child element under Henry, creating a simple hierarchy. So this demonstrates how Primavera P6 organized reporting relationship with your organization. You might be wondering why Primavera P6 requires an OBS. So here are some important reasons. It assigns responsibility for projects. It connects manager with the enterprise project structure. It improves project governance. It controls security and user access in large Primavera P6 database. It might project management more organized and easier to understand. So with an organizational breakdown structure, assigning responsible managers during project creation becomes more difficult. So in the next session, we'll use the OBS creating the enterprise project structure. So you'll notice that Primavera asks you to select a responsible manager. That responsible manager comes directly from the OBS that we created today. So creating the OBS is an essential foundation before moving on to EPS and project creation. So I hope this Primavera P6 OBS tutorial helped you to understand how to create an organizational breakdown structure in Primavera P6. So in the next video we'll learn how to create the EPS enterprise project structure and connect it with the OBS we created today. If you are enjoying this Primavera P6 for Beginners series, please like the video, subscribe to the Best We Give channel and press the notification bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next Primavera P6 tutorial. Thank you.